What's up guys, are you a WhatsApp users and want to create a poll in a specific contact or group chat? Then you are the right place. Let's watch my full video to check. Where is the WhatsApp poll settings? How to create WhatsApp poll, edit it. On my hand, this is the iPhone 15 Pro with the latest WhatsApp version. To check a version on your iPhone, please read the post given on the above video card. Before getting started, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on a bell icon to get more informative videos first on your screen. Now let's begin. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now click on the chat settings. Over here, select a group or a specific contact to create a new poll. You can create polls in individual chats or group chats and use them for personal chats, group discussions, or business purpose. You guys, I think you may not know that WhatsApp for Android and iOS has different user interface. So iPhone users have the plus button on the text box, while Android users have a pin icon in the text field. Click on it so you get a poll option on the screen. Finally, a poll settings screen reveal. Now type your questions that you want to ask, and on the bottom, write down the answers. You must enter a minimum of 2 answers for a word. WhatsApp polls allow up to 12 options in a poll. After enter answers, you can rearrange the list. Just press on the more options appear on the right hand side on the screen and simply move it up or down side. After that, one more settings appear on the screen, which is allow multiple answers for a specific poll. So this is depends on your poll. If you need more than one answers, then keep it enabled. Otherwise, turn trigger off left side. So user can select only one answer. At the end, tap on the share button to send it into chat. So finally, WhatsApp poll looks like this. Now user have to click on a specific answer to give a vote. And you can view vote for the specific poll by tapping on the view votes. On this poll details screen, you can scroll down and check the maximum and minimum vote share on the right side of the display. Now I am talking about forwarding the poll to someone else. But unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't allow forwarding a poll to anyone else. For that, you can use third-party service if possible, find on Google. Furthermore, this poll cannot display newly added members. For that, you have to create a new poll in a group. Now long press on the poll, you can see number of options. Very first one is react on the poll. You can choose an emoji to react to a specific poll like this. The second one is keep option. This one is allow user to save disappearing message in a chat even after the message duration has expired. So you can keep and unkeep ever you want. The third one is reply menu. You guys, you are already familiar with these settings. Tapping on reply button, user can answer for a specific poll. The next one is the info button. Click on the info to check how many members delivered this poll and read. Here you can see double tick mark, which means a specific contact got a poll on the device but has not seen your poll. The second last one is the pin option. To pin the poll in a chat, tap on the pin and a menu will appear. Choose how long your pin long last. 24 hours, 7 days and 30 days means for a month. Default option is 7 days, but you can choose your desired options. For example, if you choose 30 days, your message will stay at the top of the chat as a banner for a month. For example, tap on the pinned message banner to navigate to the message in the chat. If more than one message is pinned, the banner shows how many messages are pinned. The most recent pinned message appears first in the banner. You can unpin the message manually ever you want. In the last option, tap on delete options to trace the poll. Click on the trace icon and choose option delete for everyone or delete for me. So friends, this is all about WhatsApp poll. I hope this found helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more WhatsApp video on my video screen.